Hello everyone, my name is Devi Prasad Dotto and today I am going to talk about a very simple yet very misunderstood part of physics. Okay, that is what is an atom or what does an atom actually looks like. What is an atom? We have learned this from the beginning of class 7 or 8, but we haven't understood the actual picture of an atom. Okay, so today we are going to learn about what does an atom actually look like. Okay, what does an atom actually look like? Okay, so previous to start this, we need to just revise what was the definition of atom. The definition of atom was whenever we have anything in our universe, everything in our universe is made out of matters. So matters are also made out of very small tiny particles called atoms. Okay, every matter that we can see, pencil, rubber, book, mobile phone, everything that we can see, we can think of, even us, we are also made out of matters, and those matters are made out of very small tiny particles called atoms. Okay, usually conventionally, in our normal books, how the atoms are represented, I will draw. The atoms are something like a very spherical type of thing like this, and in the middle it is drawn that there is a very big positive ion which is called the nucleus, N, and around the nucleus there are small amount of electrons revolving. Suppose in this here there are two electrons. Suppose this is a, how many I have drawn? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is carbon. Okay, C12 6. So this is a carbon atom I have drawn. So this picture is very familiar to this. This is nothing but electrons. All of these are electrons, and this is the positive nucleus. Okay, so inside this nucleus, obviously there are protons and neutrons present, but this picture is completely wrong. Yes, this picture that we have been seeing in our books is completely wrong. Okay, so what is the actual picture? I will share. Before that, I just want to tell you the actual dimensions. Okay, so the dimensions of a normal atom is nearly 10 to the power 4 or 3 times bigger than the dimension of nucleus. Okay, so that is the thing here. So if I want to compare, this doesn't look as 1,000 times smaller than this actual atom. Okay, because the outer layer obviously defines the atom. Na? This doesn't look like that. So if I just clear all of the things, then I can share one thing that will clear all of the things. Let me here. So this is our conventional atom that we are used to see. Everyone can see. This is our conventional atom. Here there is proton, neutron inside. Here there are the electron orbits that I have drawn just previously. But this is not the actual picture. The actual picture that we need to find, actual picture is here. See, this is a very odd picture to you, I know, but this is the actual picture. Obviously this is also not the perfect picture, but because it is not possible for you to understand them. So this is the, if you can see the in the center part, there is a very small purple dot over there. Now it is written 1 fm, that is 1 femtometer, 10 to the power minus 15 meters. So this small dot signifies the size of a nucleus, which is very enlarged. It is shown here. It will be very smaller than this, and the outer layer, as you can see, it is something like a blurred out image. Now this is the size of the electrons. They are so tiny, so small particles that we cannot see them in our we cannot compare their size with respect to the nucleus. They are very small. They are like clouds. That is why we say the word electron clouds. So this is the actual image of a actual atom where the electrons are represented by this blurred thing. Here the density of electrons is very high. Here it is very small, and the size of the nucleus is very small, very tiny. Compared to this also, it is not that much big. It will be very small. Suppose actually it is shown, it is told that if I just have a cricket or football field is the size of an atom, then the nucleus should be the size of a pea, a seed, very small seed. Can you imagine that? So that is the actual size of an atom. So I hope till from now you have understood what is the actual picture of an atom, and from now you will not confuse with any other model, right? So this is the actual picture of an atom, which is very unsatisfying, but this is the truth. Okay, so goodbye to everyone. I hope you have all understood and you have learned something new. Goodbye.